Hello everyone. Today I have come to Ooty for a few days stay. So today I'm going to give you the room tour of Fortune Sullivan's Resort. So let's get started with the room tour. When we enter, on the side is this bathroom. Quick view of the bathroom. There is something here for the laundry, I guess, and a mirror, and a mirror here. It's a compact bathroom, not too big. The shower area. So once we get out of the bathroom, there is a mirror here, and there is some space to keep the luggage here with some drawers and a shoe stand below where we can keep the muddy shoes. And a room heater has been provided considering the weather in Ooty. And this is the table lamp and a few goodies with the vodka and other stuff, hard stuff. You have the price mentioned here as well. A small TV, I think it's a 32-inch TV. A telephone, remotes, a desk, and a tea station with a couple of water bottles, a kettle. This is complimentary. Let's see what's in here. This is just a drawer. Let's see the other side. This is the mini bar. A dustbin is there. The cloth horse is here. A magazine rack and two beautiful cane chairs with a beautiful center table, coffee table. And looking at the bed, this is a queen bed. This is a painting there, and there is a dresser. There is a wardrobe here. Let's open this wardrobe. There is an iron board here and an iron box, some hangers and a locker and a few more drawers. And there is a full-fledged mirror here next to the wardrobe, and again here some glasses and water bottle and a lamp. Now let's see what we can see from this window. So it's a garden view. That's all what you can see. A sneak peek of Ooty as well. Blackout curtains are also provided, and there is a small plant here. Overall nice. Room is compact but looks good. I like the color theme. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching.